The Vivo V50 recently surfaced online in rumors and certification platforms. A fresh leak has offered us a first proper look at the Vivo V50. The Vivo V50, a rebranded version of the Vivo S20, which has launched in China. The device comes in 3 color variants: deep blue, gray, and shimmery white. The oval-shaped camera module has 2 cameras followed by a ring LED flash, including a 50MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 50MP front-facing camera for selfies. The phone features a 6.67-inch FHD plus AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 power the device, paired with up to 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. The device runs FunTouch OS 15, based on Android 15. Device come with a larger 6500 mAh battery with 90W fast charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.